All right, we're off. It's about 9 a.m. It's a good 4-hour ride to get here for me. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a high of like 70, 72. Low to mid 50s for the low tonight for camping. It's gonna be great. Well, I already got a hit and it got me. Picked me. I'm gonna go back after him here. Going with a chartreuse jig today. 1/8 ounce. It's very light wind, so that should be good. Might change up the color later if it ain't working, but I just got a bump. I threw the slip bobber in also. So I got the slip bobber there and just a little jig here. Hey, finally. A little guy. Nice little largemouth. Pretty little fish, but 6 inches. All right. A different kind of bass. Striper. I believe it's a, striper. Hybrid, whatever. Not bad. Also, 8 inches. Damn. Just had a big one. Oh, this GoPro. I reached over to turn the GoPro on. Got 1 second he got off. All right, game on now. Oh. The old catfish. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know what this one is. That's pert near big. Whoa. What is it? Gee, boy, they are a lot of fun. Bastards. All right, relax. Yeah, that's a big one there. 16 inches maybe. Not a bad cat. Get rid of him. I got the hook out. This thing is a nice little gadget. It's called the fish pick. Really nice. And you just could scoop them up real easy with this. It's not sharp. It just gets in the gill. And then you got full control of it without it getting all wrapped up in the net. Well, let's go around this point here into the main part here. Enough of this bait. Try something different. Catch a different wind, you know what I mean? Eagle. Nice eagle right there, just flying around. Hey, a little crappie. Still 8 inches. Man, I've caught catfish, striper, crappie, largemouth. Just waiting for that walleye. This one feels better. I switched it up to a white jig. Don't tell me it's another. For Pete's sake. These things. Well, like I said, this fish pick is really nice. You can grab them. They can't jump or get away on you. Or if it's a toothy critter, they can't bite you. It's really nice. Freaking catfish. Oh, there's a little striper. good headwind. If I don't paddle, I'm going backwards. I got a long way to get back. Right into the wind. Getting set up here, it's a pretty good site. I am in B17, and it does have electric. So I should have minnows for tomorrow. I got them on the bubbler, so hopefully I'll have some left. I'm gonna try and hit it early again tomorrow. Earlier than today. It was a 4-hour ride. Yeah, I want to try to get out about 7-ish tomorrow, I'm hoping, but you know how that goes. So might be a little early in the year yet. It's still August 25th, I think. But I'm kind of looking for walleye or sawguy, but I don't think that's going to happen yet. It's going to have to cool down a little more. But I'll give it another shot tomorrow. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a beautiful night. Yeah, I'm using that big air cushion. I had that in the boundary waters, but I didn't show anybody because it was already in the tent and under the big tarp. But it's really nice. In the boundary waters, I blew it up with a foot pump. And that took quite a while, but it was well worth it. Here, at least, I could blow it up with an electric pump much quicker. Homemade pesto from the garden. And a little pecorino romano cheese to top it off. Ooh, a lot of garlic. Let's put a little cheese on there now. That's pretty good. Potato gnocchis and homemade pesto. All right, time for a cold one. Zombie Dust, 3 Floyds, Munster, Indiana. And it's funny, there's one group of people over there, and that's the turnaround, that's the end. But them people haven't been here all day. And then nobody at that one, and then there's a trailer, and it's like the same thing. I think they, might just leave it here or something during the weekend or up here on the weekend. I don't know, but it's been sitting there, nobody in it. Another tent over there. I don't see anybody around. It's crazy. It's kind of weird in a way. Man, is it quiet out here. Sun's going down. Almost time for the illumination ceremony. There goes a black cat. Are you kidding me? Well, I'm gonna enjoy a nice cup of coffee, and then it's just a little after 6 right now, 6:15 maybe. I'm gonna get out on the kayak and get fishing right away. So, well, let's see if anything's biting early. Yeah, got a little one here. What do we got? Oh, a crappie. Nice. Well, it was a crappie. Figured I'd come to the spillway here where this tower is. It's real deep around here. I just had a nice bite real deep, so, and I missed them. Well, I figure I'm just gonna try and work this really deep area real well. It's all over 20, mid 20s. See if anything's down there. We got the spillway or the dam right there. I'm gonna check that out. It's not real windy today, so I believe I could get close without going over the edge. Let's take a look at this spillway. Nice concrete lip here. At least you can't go over. Last time I was here with the boat, it was real windy, and I was like, man, you'd think it would be marked with buoys or something, but well, let's fish right in here for a while. Missed one more bite. I don't know what's up. It's awful slow right now. Yep, there goes that eagle again. Came back to get my tent and my chair. Wanted to get out on the water early this morning, so I left it up. You got till 3 o'clock to vacate the campsite, and plus it was all wet anyway with dew, so it's best to, it's about noon now. Well, it was fun. I got a lot of paddling in, and did better yesterday with the wind blowing a little bit. Today I thought it would be really good, but I had some good bites. Caught one crappie, actually didn't even get him in. Seen him. And a beautiful day though, so I've got a couple more coming up. Stay tuned and keep checking back. Thanks for watching.